story, but everybody forget. Every story has a beginning, a middle, and an end. And the end come quicker than anybody expect. You in denial or you blame it on that next generation who've been waiting their turn, patiently earned. This is our time, quick. Kick history to the curb. I was you getting shed on. Everybody older had a chip on their shoulder that they always try to pass on, but it just made me that strong. I never made a bad song, and even if I did, I put my heart up in it, that's all. Everything you loved as a kid but couldn't afford getting sold back to you when you get older for more. Made everything a hustle they struggled from before. Took a whole lot of people to kick down a couple doors. Was 100 miles of running for more, but riding slow. Now that's 99 bars, only one more to go. They sell we mirrors, but we kaleidoscopes. And the sky stopped being the limit a long time ago. I'ma go study for a minute, get my mind right, put it in some raps so you might get your mind right, get your time right. Write a book and get some hindsight, and every bar will be a motherfucking highlight. Like old heads say the era is the best. Shit. We put that argument to rest. Everybody loves a story, but everybody forget. Every story has a beginning, a middle, and an end. That's one verse. You gotta copy the actual song.